Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil, and this is the channel where I talk all about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So, in today's video, I will be doing something special for you. I will be doing a Coinbase tutorial where I will show how to buy cryptocurrency. This specific case, I will buy Bitcoin because that's the OG of cryptocurrencies, and I want to buy it today. So, let's get right into it. Before we start, guys, just a disclaimer that this is not financial advice. I am making this video for educational purposes only. If you want financial advice, go to a certified financial advisor in your area or online. I will try to provide as much as value on my channel just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Also, if you want to buy cryptocurrency from Coinbase and other exchanges, I have a link in the description. That's an affiliate link, and you can use that to get some discounts on there as well, and also start your journey of crypto. So let's get into it. So to start with Coinbase, you have to go to coinbase.com, and there you will have to enter your email address and get started with your details. It will ask you for your first name and last name. I won't go through that process, but you can do that in your own time. And you can see that they have different services up here. You can use it as individual or you can use it as business. They have a special platform for businesses, which is Coinbase Prime, and they have different services there. So it's a big company, and you can see at the bottom here there are about 150 cryptocurrencies that they are selling on Coinbase, and you have a lot of different options to use here. You can use the mobile app, you can use the web version of the app, and see the numbers here. That's quarterly volume traded is $462 billion. That's heaps of money. It's almost like it's the second world largest crypto exchange after Binance. So you can understand how much bigger this platform is already, and it's only growing. It's got over 100 plus countries supported, 68 million plus verified users. So yeah, look at that. It's pretty simple. I will just sign in from here. So once you have signed in, your platform or your dashboard should look like this, and it will show your balances. It will show your watch list. I have got Bitcoin on my watch list because I have started, and it will give you your affiliate links if you want to share it with your friends. You will have different options here as well, like assets, trade will give you the different cryptocurrencies that are on the platform. You can see what's the price of them, what are the changes in them, what's the market cap, and you can set them to different time frames, 1 month, and you can see the changes here as well. You see how Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are 25 and 27% up. Huge increase in that. And yeah, this will show you a lot of cryptocurrencies in there. There are many, so you can choose whatever you want. So yeah, like I can even buy and sell from here straight away. It's got a one-time purchase option. You can do a recurring buy, or daily, weekly, or even if you're wanting to set a reminder for it, you can do that. And there is an option of pay here, so you can use this option to pay cryptocurrencies from mobile, email, or address as well. You can receive as well, and then you can use it as a wallet. There are different news section here as well. This is going to give you a for you page that is like a news feed, which gives you different videos about how to do crypto stuff, and how to set up crypto wallet, and different guides like what is Cardano, what is other cryptocurrencies. Got education news, get more crypto. So yeah, heaps of stuff, because they are so big. Um, they are spending a lot of money on the platform to involve more people and get the user base to Coinbase, because they are very well regulated platform. Obviously, they are centralized for now. That's the easiest way for people to get into this space, and their user interface is the most clean and easy to use for people who are starting in this space. So to buy Bitcoin from it, you can just click buy and sell. I will choose one-time purchase because this is the only time that I will buy for some time, and then I will choose $100 of Bitcoin. This will just give me the breakdown of it. My bank account is connected to this, so already it's showing my card number, and it's showing the price of Bitcoin. It's saying the purchase is 96.16 because there is a Coinbase fee of 3.84, so total is $100. And I will just have to click buy now from here. It will automatically deduct from my bank account, and this is the amount of Bitcoin it will give in my wallet. So after we have bought the Bitcoin, it will show up in your assets. If you click on assets here, so this is not my asset, it's just the portfolio. And if I see my asset here, this is Bitcoin. It's saying that I have 0.00113268 BTC. The price went up, so I only got that much, and the value of it is 95.77 because there was a fees for it, and also I got charged for the transaction fees. And you can see that when I click on Bitcoin here, if I click on the balance, you can even send it from here to any mobile, email, or wallet address. You can choose pay with Bitcoin. I will swap it to Bitcoin. This is right now Australian dollars. So if you want to change the currency type, that's Bitcoin. So I will say swap and then send all. This will use this, and you can use your wallet address if you want to send out, or if you want to send it out to anyone, you can use their wallet address and click continue. So that's pretty much it. And they have different services like Vault as well. A vault is a great place to store your crypto for long term, so they're giving you that offline storage as well services. So yeah, Coinbase is doing a lot of stuff there. You can even get learn and earn. So you can see this by using these courses or guides, you can just earn some 50 cents of loop ring. You can do these courses, what is bounce and what is the auction token. They are going with NFT as well, so you will be getting that soon. Like as you learn more about Coinbase and learn more about cryptocurrency, which I talk a lot on my channel. So yeah, you can obviously earn from here. Also put your cryptocurrency in a cold storage as well, like a hardware wallet. For that also I have a link in the description. But if you're starting out new, you have to start somewhere which is pretty simple to use, and you're not fearful of doing something on the platform. So that's something that Coinbase provides. And if you want to sign up on that, I have a link below in my description, for which you will also get $13 of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want. And if you want that reward, obviously click on the affiliate link that I have in the description, and then you can also invite your friends from here if you want. They will also receive that if you spend or if they buy or sell 133 or more on Coinbase. Then yeah, so yeah, do that. That's all for the video, guys. See, my Bitcoin is already up in price, and that's the beauty of cryptocurrencies, that your money increases in value if you put it in the right cryptocurrency and the right project. Bitcoin is obviously the biggest gainer in the crypto space till now. The price is evident, and yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Keep liking, keep subscribing. I have seen a lot of support from people previously. The last couple of weeks I have seen a lot of subscribers in my channel, and I would really like to thank everyone who has subscribed in the past couple of weeks. I put some time for everyone every week. I've worked full-time in IT as well, and I try to fit in videos every now and then, every week. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.